the Defender sounds too quiet from factory? Today we're going to installing the new brand new electronic exhaust system for the Defender, which completely changes the drive experience. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are working on the new Defender project and we are installing one of the most exciting products for this car, the electronic exhaust system. This is designed for Defender 90, Defender 110 and even for Defender 130, and this is both for the diesel one and the gasoline one, and we are supported for the car from the V4, V6 and V8. Why we are going to change the exhaust system? Because this one is sporty character for our driving experience and give our more stronger sounds when we drive, and keeps the original Land Rover Defender factory feelings when we drive. First of all, let's take a closer look of the kits. What inside of the package? First of all, the electronic exhauster, and it's coming with a bracket for the mounting, and this is a harness, the module, which is controller. So, and this is wireless. It's coming with a plug and play. It's very easy to use, fix on the car, and also the remote controller. You can control this remote to control 8 modes. So it's coming with 8 style sounds as you like, and there's a washer and the screws. Now let's start the installation process. In these videos we will show you the mounting position, the wiring connection, the module controller setup, and also the sounds after installation. So follow my videos, let's check the installation step by step. Installation is finished and now comes the best part. Let's hear the difference. We will offer you the remote so you can control 8 different sounds by the remote, so you can use the button, use the next one or the previous ones. So that's our new electronic sounds for Defender 90, 110 and 130. This is one of the best modification parts if you want your car more driving motion, sporty sounds, more road presence and a premium performance feelings. You can choose this one. And let me know what you think about this electronic system for your car and leave the comments below. Thank you so much for your watching Sam Auto Parts YouTube channel. We will keep working on the Defender Octa project, which is coming soon. See you next week. Bye bye.